Like we said, in the year 2022, there was a general election where the two warring parties in Kenya, that is the Azimio la Umoja, one Kenya Alliance, and the Kenya Kwanza Alliance, that is the UDA and its affiliated parties, were running for the election. Kenya Kwanza, that was Dr. William Ruto, and the Azimio la Umoja had appointed or nominated Raila Odinga as its flag bearer. Fortunately or unfortunately, Raila did not win. So Dr. William Ruto won and declared the winner. Then the Azimio la Umoja candidate went to court. The court upheld that Nani won. The Supreme Court said that Ruto won. Ruto forms the government. The government is formed. The price of unga is very high. The price of petrol is very high. And then there is a demonstration the following year. That's 2023. This is the demonstration of sufurias, the sufuria demonstrations. The Azimio people had a demonstration. They were complaining. They were saying that the prices of the food had gone very high, and they wanted the price to go down. And they were saying that the government should look for ways of putting the price down. The dollar had surged. I think the price of the dollar was that $1 had gone up to about 170. It didn't get to 70, but I think 60 something. But in the black market, you could get it at 170. Anyway, it went down after that. But after the demonstration was very fierce. Then there was a disagreement now between the Kenya Kwanza government again. What Nani did was very crafty. What the president did was very crafty. He took the Northeastern Party, Northeastern Kenya Party. There is a party, I can't remember its name, but there is a party of the Northeastern part. There were about 9 members who he brought them into Kenya Kwanza. So Kenya Kwanza now had the majority in parliament because if it had gone the way it was, if he had not brought these people, it would have been not the majority. But now these people came, he had the majority. So he also, the people who were independent and some who were from other smaller parties who had maybe not joined the Azimio coalition were looped into Kenya Kwanza. So Kenya Kwanza was declared the majority party in parliament, and things started running that way. Kenya Kwanza continued being the majority. Okay, there was a court case that had been taken to court. So the court eventually pronounced that the majority seats in parliament should be Azimio party. But somehow, I don't know, it never happened. And one of the things that I want people to realize is that there was a lot of confusion because the party of ODM, which was one of the strongest opposition parties in parliament, had agreed, or had in 2024, by the time this ruling was coming, had already joined hands in what they had called a broad-based government.